This is the compressor from AUTO-VOX. Comes with a little attachments, and it has the pressure monitor. So let's test it. Okay, right now it is 28 psi. By the way, this pressure gauge is very small. These lots of numbers, these numbers are really difficult to read. How do I read this 32 or 34, 35 psi, like measurements? It is kind of difficult to read, but it gives you an idea. We are right now somewhere around 30th. About 1 minute, we have almost done, like it's almost 32 psi. Overall, I like its power. It quickly inflated my tire, but one difficulty is with this cable organization. It does not have any cable organizer, so you gotta just wrap it around.